Alright, we're going to install our custom license plate on Dumpy here. Custom light up license plate right before the show tomorrow. Similar to that right there. But check it out. Pretty sweet. We'll get some video of getting this thing on here though. Alright, we got all of our wiring tucked away as good as it can be here in this old 90s Skyline. It's looking real good, all mounted up. Oh yeah. Let's fire it up and see how she looks. Got the typical Skyline lights, and look at that plate. Glowing. That's what I'm talking about right there. The custom light up license plate looks sweet. Just so you know, we are making these. So if you want custom plate, we can make that happen. So I'll try and put a link down in the details of this video, put a link down in the details of this video so that you can go and order yours now. So we got a few going down right now. Obviously already made this one, looking pretty sweet. Wiring up this one right now for the old booger. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the old rig and how it's turning out. Alright, what's up? So yeah, we've decided to finish the wrap on Dumpy. Just think it's time, you know. I got a guy in here that I need to train, perfect training vehicle. So we've got it going pretty good. Finishing out. Again, if you guys remember, this side was raw, just rough paint. So we are finishing out all of this to make it all blue, and it is going to be a lot of blue, but it's going pretty good. So we're going to do a time lapse here in a second of me. We already got pieces on the bumper, the piece ends, which is a lot because it's super aggressive, but we're cutting out. So I'm going to do this, these big parts. This will be one piece and this will be another piece, all of this. So it's what I feel is the best way to tackle this and assure that it's going to look good in the end. So we are going to get to that. Looks like the boys need to finish trimming right there, but I'm ready to get to it. So let's get this thing on here. Josh on the cam.
Can I act like I know what I'm doing for once?
It looks like you know what you're doing.
Somewhat.
But really, you can't read numbers. All right, I think we are done for the night. Not bad, about left for 9 o'clock. Got probably more done than what I planned on. But we'll take it, you know. We'll take what we can get. Show you guys these skirts and the pods. Looking real nice in blue. These skirts are 3 pieces. We did this piece and this piece at the same time on both sides. And then we did this one to seal up all the edges on that. This pod's 3 pieces, just safest. But yeah, skirts turned out really nice. Looking super sweet. The car rear bumper is done. Trunk done. Roof done. Both these doors done. Fender done. Mirror. Gotta wrap this black still. Something for Josh to do tomorrow. I got the bottom layer of this front bumper on. It's looking pretty sweet. I'm pretty happy with that. Hood is done, obviously. So overall, we made some good progress today. Got this rear quarter to do, which is having some clear coat issues, so that's going to be a lot of fun. But we make things work. Got one more piece on the bumper, so that is getting really close. And then we have the pods and skirt on this side to wrap blue. And then we're done. So honestly, 1, 2, 3, 4 more things to wrap and we are good to go. So pretty happy with today's progress. Got 3 more days in this week, so we'll have to do a little bit of work on other things, but overall pretty happy with how it's turned out just in half a day's work. So we'll get back at it tomorrow and get this thing done. So let's go. All right, we're back at the wrapping game, and had to work most of the day, but we just got started on this bumper and it's looking super blue. Looks really good. This bumper is probably about 15 pieces, but you'd never know. RT's finishing up this side, and then the front end is good to go. Didn't do too much today. Josh did a little bit, you know. A little bit a few times, I guess. He's learning. We got this rear quarter still and a few other things, but overall we're sitting pretty good. Man, I'm excited to see this thing done.